This is a tutorial of how to install Ubuntu using VirtualBox. The first step is after you downloading the VirtualBox, you will just have to click the executable file. And then, the second step, the first window will look like this and just click the next button. After you click the next button, it will show you the location of the VirtualBox that you'll install, or you can choose where you want to install it and click next. There will have a warning and just click yes. Next, also in here, just click yes. And then you can click the install.
And then wait for it to install. And now that the installation is already complete, just click the checkbox check and just simply click the finish button. You can see the VirtualBox icon has been created in your desktop. And now, you already have VirtualBox installed. You will now install the extension. Just click the menu button and click extension. And then, you will have to click the install button to add extension. And then, you will have to navigate to where you downloaded the VirtualBox extension pack and click on in the click open.
And click the install button, scroll it down and click I agree. Now that you can finish installing extension, go back to welcome page by clicking again the menu button. Virtual box, you can create any virtual machine by clicking the new button here. Name it Ubuntu.
Here, you can choose where you want to locate your download file. After you navigate your download Ubuntu ISO image, highlight it and click Open. Here, you can see the different types of OS. Ubuntu is Linux, so you have to choose Linux. And here, you can see all the different versions you want to install. Click Ubuntu 64-bit. Next is click Unattend Install. Here, you can change the username and the password. You have to remember it because this will need to open the Ubuntu OS. Next is the hardware. You can choose how many memory and processor you want to put in your virtual machine.
Next is the hard disk. Choose Create Virtual Hard Disk now. You can choose how many storage you want to put in your virtual machine. If you will download applications or other softwares in your virtual machine, choose a larger size and click the Finish button. Once the system recognizes that you already finished installing it, it will automatically launch. Choose Install Ubuntu and hit Enter in your keyboard. Wait until it loads. Wait until it finishes installing. Once the installation is finished, then you can choose the username that you input earlier and type your password. Once the system recognizes that your username and password are completely correct, you can now have the access to the virtual machine. And that's how you install Ubuntu OS using VirtualBox.